osan edituya se enei se ebetimi etie no na ni pressure na incident se be fair hearing enei ebetimi exclude se enye eye public in the public interest morally and as a public safety and a public order we ayensem ni bia wode etudwa osan edituya se Chief Justice no award the right say obetimi awave that privilege say enei yenye no proceedings and say ne etoto na no ewo in camera and say yemfa ma mobia ente no no so oka ho ensem enso ewo ho osan editudwa say eyemra efa ho say enei ekwan a yefa so na afi ya establish a premier facie case against no or say efa control do abon ho obia eni ho and sanitimi ede establish esa ekwan no ede etia no asay osan editudwa say na ye omampani na hyede say ose otrokrata ede breno say enema amanfo atwafa no ho eni ansa na wakwakote committee no na committee abaye adwuma ene omampani anye ne sante no so court no enhwe na ondi eho asem enso emfa emano osan eka say aba ne santi sa suspension ya ene omampani ede amano no court no enhwe na onfa ento enchen eno eho ensem ewo ha afei oba justice eye puaman eso say enei wono so unqualified so be chairman and as a member of the committee enei omohwehwe a petition because of various ruling na enei wedi ediama one of the petitioners Daniel Ofori ewo eyen samahodoa ode aba eye Supreme Court no enso emu afei otwaso a wasan edi etu edwa say enei ya ye kasei session 124 of the Oath of Act 1972 the fourth, fifth and sixth defendants no almost qualified so mutimi undertake any functional yeah they entrust some members of the committee and also or the ensem enso etudwa and osan edebetudwa say or the order say yen restrain the committee now a composed of the first the second, third, fourth, fifth and sixth defendant no say omunyina no hwe ensem no de atudwa na womu eni ho kwan say o say womu tenase na afei womu edoso na ensem no de tozo nsia no or the tudwa say enema bi san e wo ho no ma court no so enhwe na wonni eho adwuma mama ofa ho na afei yendevu deeper into the issues in some or the abetu offer mamintiwe
but I say said the obu boss no 16 reliefs and some mako dunsia and o person Supreme Court eye mano na ni nyina no Rebecca said they are grounded on the constitution I was like so the Supreme Court the okwa emra no na okose omunchiri mu yi na reliefs no wabobo bi so de di mu akotre pa be miensa na mepese meka de di kan no eye ono no emra ebo no ho ban so we article 14610 na chichimu ya emma e de efa process ya e de eyi na free hoi eho e na ma me ne de article 146 na nasem ni gina so pa and what the other articles I dey a support now here article 148 no or say all proceedings under this article shall be held in camera and the justice or chairman against whom the petition is made is entitled to be heard in his defense by himself or by a lawyer or other expert of his choice. Just say we are justice of the superior court, the free high court, court of appeal and the Supreme Court obi the assembly so ye boni into ade so ye di wasem no a de bia na wugina ne ntino ye mfa mabonten so obi abi ho kwa awurade bo wo ene de won so kokae na won kwan so lawyer eba wan so ye so judge bia so ye lawyer wo person a wa ba dey obekwa akoko defend wo ha na chief justice say eye wono no anya asem ena constitution ne bo no ho ban say nensam ye behwie nwa bonten ye ni no fitiem se be ye obi antibi but wono na asem ne fa no ho se da bi sa privilege na constitution dia ma no ompe obese obi ai da ete na dapa what you say
obi ambetie bi
obi ambetie
but of amremu no
bi ameba
okay
eti on say wono na wo bo no ho ban me na wo bo ban sa wo pese masem no obi abeti bi yenka na fitiem But me say there be. If I so be there, ATBA. It will waive sa privilege na or no. So the question is, who bet me waive sa privilege no? So, say constitution amount quite be okay at you. I was at 48 hours a mile bill. No, I catch up with was there be. Mama mean to us on the course be the assembly. So that's the issue. Because Oba article friends say na constitution in Chichi Muno de air manual. Adebo hono a shall. Adebo a may.
Okay.
Now article 14610 na. Was it the president may suspend the chief justice?
Okay.
So said the assembly bano. Or say in the case of a chief justice acting in accordance with the advice of the Council of State by warrant signed by him, the president may suspend the chief justice. It is not the opan wedding or president pan suspend the chief justice. But until suspended, they say case a back out to you. I won't now be say panels who won't good. Never now be you won't be the
Okay. Okay.
So the president died a suspended or pan suspended.
Yeah.
But Article 418 there was the proceedings shall. Constitution that baby or back brand baby or back as a shall be a mandatory
okay.
Just say KO this shall be released. KO the way to like I say me and the constitution say you release me do it there or module court or mechichu.
Yeah.
And was abe go to article 14610 na president general suspended no. Also constitution ka say mayor e just say who nipa no who use o discretion.
Yeah.
Now discretion is captured in article 296 of the constitution. You wade bi o ho aye ntroy o ye minister niema bebe o ye president niema bebe ye ntroy no black and white say you see. Ti wa na odwene ho no wa hwese de o ye no a ebe. But constitution 2 for say so wo ye bibia yen share dan troy a ye wo kwan fe so ofa so na we den wo ye no so wo ye na obigidi se wa anye no sa kwan no so a o ya akro bit tiki on to ma men kan on kakra bi also where in this constitution or any other law discretionary power is vested in any person or authority, that discretionary power should be deemed to be imply a duty to be fair and candid.
Okay.
Just say baby a emra na ma o kwan say wutimi fa wadwen fa de be ho no eye wasade se wo fa sa adwen no obeye fair che se ubohu se da bi ade we de yese be nipa no wasem you obibi tia no nti na meye ni sei wo ye de pepe ye be den be ye adwuma bi no what say the exercise of the discretionary power should not be arbitrary, capricious or biased, either by resentment, prejudice or personal dislike, and shall be in accordance with due process of law.
Okay.
This is yes, our discretionary power no. And this is then arbitrary. Just say, oh sorry, I do PB. I shall consult that. And na bias na capricious, such as say, at the end there, watch out. Nipa ma bonato. That meanya no.
But to me feed
my minimum feed you so to idea will be able to read the massa or bias. So it idea now be na or personal dislike. Say the pano on peno or tano. If you cry what in whom kobo be that will be at his ass there. Be chin coco that mean yan be a you catch him or say officer be catch and say Saka call me irritated. Tia police for Munko Bobbery or Hoda. That be Bobbery or Hono. Be a met transfer or quarter, but I sense you about what Diana Mwashe. Was boss and penny pound a catcher no. So the ultimate be tore. That's the own penas and doing yanwa. What the madding would have found acquaintance.
Okay.
Oh, it was be a wee biano. I was say a yet fair. They said, what the pay ye, Ujin and fin now ye. They said, who will be was some or not to our own penasemunti. And na chief just like I say, sa dia na mampani ye say waje ne tumi na firi nsem. Say onko tenafie no. May it a discretionary power. Mampani ye say power ni. As what handada. Some ba me den. Me you afiri wo.
En no kan say oseden. O say serve on the president was arbitrary, capricious and a violation of the right of the plentiful no
no
article 296 okay
it no no court no akochechim di ntia wogidi say arbitrary de ye capricious and now sama me yesa kotu bio say enipa no ete panel no so no Justice Gabriel Scott Pamine and Justice Kwame Adibu Esiedu no omo mienu no ebra obi di petition come president no obi di asem no ba Supreme Court for injunction na say nipa mienu te sa case ni so bi ena mampani ko yi say nipa mienu no say omo mehwe ni ntu na de so obi di krata ba say kwan ya ye fa so tumi enye una wokodi asem no what is asem no so ni asem you say fe de kone kodi asem no amu no obi be stop by injunction no ma menese because of that no say ni paying qualify say almost betra so do abomu mienu din say they should be removed we ye no sa be ka say nipa no miensa o menye judges on say branches trend ni so o obi o legal background o qualify o say fata say o tena committee no so bi so the honor say drew court and obekere di ntia ogidi se omo ensenye den emfata nti wa kan se no bebre 16 reliefs e say edoso but emu kakra bia hu se emra kwan so no hu se ena ba ko e kai ha ba ko e kai ye prima facie e pa na ugina akese pa se a whole chief justice obedi asema ba betia me se maye abc di ntie nyimi tumi mfrem nsem the ya ne say president say by establish a prima facie case intino ya suspend obrabe yi ho ano but ono no kai petition nyina as a lawyer and as a judge at the Supreme Court no enye asemu a emu odu a yetimi gina so etu chief justice me ye the establishment of prima facie case no it was not made so pa na asem pa ba begina ko de akani nyina de o say ho akwabisi ye dododo ho ba de ne gina so a makobo ke odukwadu de ne gina so a mi kire se
asem na make
because ya publish ya man bi say based on adewe na no tu kwai onokunu koye wa violate mra ebra na no uye say uje scape de metu bag mu e tu kwai mra makwan na no obi ba court opposing India no oso ma me no and until we violate we no based on this no oso bibia asa mai obi ama no bibia asa de ote yan say ya establish a prima facie case inti ohwe sansam no de born kwadu no dia as a lawyer and a judge up to the highest position in the judiciary no so no na say we ba na nimu a etia judge bia enka onsoso it ni say na ka president entertain sa a friend saying cases here e ba yi based on this intino omohwe na committee so di ka abo committee ni kura go say 2 judges from Sevata 3 civilians no Sevata and a prima facie case no so nye and a mampeni so exercise of discretionary power say they wrong but se basi be di dia and the mama Ghana for obi anya dey enhwe ehubi
anyway right so that is that
we have an interesting case on hand
let's wait and see what happens
because case akani nyina ma me no wan court because say you on dey akọ obi na ekọ challenge but we dey ono a e wo court oni ne kunu e wo court
enra ne sini kunu na ekọ servo na ode ade no koe na omo ko de koma empanfo ho se munye we yesu ya de ni se wahwa se omamo no cutting razor for na ba akọ ni nyina mfa ti ono a sifom na wo ko na ode de ekọ yes
chief justice na mu sifom let us see the panel that will be sitting on this case. You heard the almost make the medical canon. I will not think say Supreme Court to Botugua. My name said the Omeka.
Okay.
The event show Botugua. Mami beko ako subjecting herself to that grilling.
All right.
Hey, asa mako di abo kwedu. A lawyer for mako nine. Election petition grant no me say.
No me say no me two.
Election petition two.
But we
Tama ya de Dr. Bamiatra ai adaka mu okay 3 nipa miensa chachuchi kata ko gina mu ema NDC ena lawyer Tonlita eko gina mu ma John Mahama ena electoral commission omo lawyer no ono so mi refi di kakra ono so ko gina mti nipa 3 ena grele Dr. Bamia ene ba say edu nketi abetrem no ni papa akope
Addison
kwa
me kujira
mami die ya wokoi lawyer for mako and 9
all right ofana ka bese mbusasem oko section 124 mfan say fencing 124 of the Oath of Acts 1972 or can send me minim say betimi boy kakra
session
I'll say article yes
article 124
separate article
article 1
2
point number say
I think 14
point number 14 okay,
yes point number 14 yes of the Oath Acts of 1972 no said the 4th the 5th and the 6th defendants are not qualified to undertake the function entrusted on them as the members of the committee but constitution also say president ebeyi friends nipa enum emu miensa ye obi a omo eni friends law background we are not going to the give. I just want an explanation on those issues
the Oath Acts no e dey minya enkan but we also go to 146 2 and 4 126 hold on pesi e kan e bia e ma clear so kan 126 na e dem pi nye clear
okay nema bebre nye clear
debi 146 dedi am ye du ba bi edu nyina no
emu ne da ho fine sa
debi ya ka se enyin si but antre procedure
exactly how I am
pi ho constitution kan ya se da ye ho procedure
but we janisa okay
so to we say 1461 the main kind 1461 or say a justice of the superior court or a chairman of original tribunal shall not be removed from office except for stated misbehavior or incompetence or ground of inability to perform the functions of his arising from infirmity of the body or the mind.
Okay.
And the man here misbehavior, incompetence, grounds of inability.
Okay.
Just say bia yare. And I say bia incompetence just say adie no untimi. And I say misbehavior.
Okay.
It's my many questions say niema amanfo edi ba ye
mu bie ni wa
o say 3 is it nipa no position to me ground on 1
at least
sir 2 no or say the justice of the superior court or chairman of the regional tribunal may be removed in accordance with the procedure specified in this article.
Okay.
Procedure here you can say now okay and say nipa kro mo qualify say
be can some no
they can say they should be non lawyers, judges,
blankets,
and now kind of 4 no or say where the chief justice decide that there is a prima facie case, he shall set up a committee consisting of 3 justices of the superior court or chairman of the regional tribunal or both, appointed by the judicial council, and 2 other persons who are not members of the council of state, nor members of parliament, nor lawyers, nor who shall be appointed by the chief justice on the advice of the Council of State. We are all to no fa the enye chief justice bia judges ni bi
to we the ono ankasa so na fa ho
ba o kai ha na the ma me dey ahye ma say judicial council mem so the position come chief justice say judge bia ye bone nti yeni na semo a chief justice establish prima facie case na judicial council bem o na yi nipa na eba wedding we are saying no
all right
but on chief justice no judicial council ni say bia what they do
interesting times ahead. Let's wait and see
emma ade no procedure ne ye
maybe come at some kakra
say prima facie case wo a wonya so ye be ka kire wo so ye kan ye say na me ka no when we nti be yi ho ano ye nka bibia a kire wo no asese bra be yi ho ano so nti Supreme Court there said the me ya unru ho nti ye hwe how
they are going
back to because I think say we be final
we decide no pay o kan say we be final
because also on my na techira one fa bia anko no wa petitions a
right
and within the final work but enura me tie say na o kan kwagu azade no kwagu azade kasa da and a former Ghana School of Law penin so kasa on crowd o say as a dear Omoye, on person frustrated process na keke.
Anyway.
Obra Tiasibia and one day no a cacra say, my men of crown of President Mahama Ba. Na anything ko entertaining Kwaza petition go Kwazano as I know more assem dada.
Anyway. Men ko man so na